I think it's funny. This is what happens when you drink and smoke cigarettes. One more time. Yeah. One more time. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. I see you. You're about to do it. No, you're not. You just can't quit that fast. You're really done? How in the hell can you get done like this?